The Serene is the first tower in Sobha Central's six-tower master development on Sheikh Zayed Road in the Jebel area. Now here's what matters most about this location. The project features a direct fly-out bridge from the second floor podium straight to Sheikh Zayed Road. You're not navigating internal roads all around just to reach the main artery. You're right on it. And travel times from this location, Dubai Marina, 10 to 12. Downtown Dubai, 15 minutes. DIFC, about 15 as well. Dubai International Airport, maybe about 20 minutes. And your views, floor to ceiling windows facing the Dubai Marina, Jumeirah Islands, Blue Waters, and the Palm. The timing factor, in January 2025, new freehold ownership rules were introduced for Sheikh Zayed Road properties. The market analysts are projecting 30 to 50% value appreciation in these redevelopment corridors. And the amenities at podium level in this project features urban parks with sensory gardens, swimming pools, outdoor cinemas, fitness centers, on-site supermarket, and retail. This isn't just a standalone tower. You're buying into an evolving ecosystem. And the completion date on this is December 2029. Now let's talk numbers. Starting prices for a one bedroom apartment is 1.4 million AED. The sizes range from 495 to 748 square feet. The two bedroom units are at 2.5 million AED and goes up to 872 square feet. The payment structure is at a very attractive 60-40 plan. 60% paid during the construction phase, spread over milestones from now until 2029, and then 40% due on handover. This gives you approximately 4.5 years to structure your payments. For a 1.4 million AED unit, you're looking at roughly 840,000 AED during construction and 560,000 AED at completion. Dubai's H1 data for 2025 shows 94,000 residential transactions, up 23% year on year. The mid-tier apartments saw a 3% price growth in just 6 months. So with a conservative projection, the 1.4 million AED unit today, growing at about 3% annually, reaches approximately 1.58 million by 2029. Factor in the Sheikh Zayed Road freehold premium that analysts are predicting, you're potentially looking at about 1.8 to 2 million AED. And the rental yield potential for this area. Units in this category and this location typically commands about 85,000 to 95,000 annually for a one bedroom apartment. That's a 6 to 7% gross yield, above Dubai's average of 6%. Now let's benchmark the Serene against comparable units in the area and price range. The Sheikh Zayed Road corridor comparables are the Monk Hills 2. The one bedroom apartment here is within the 900 to 1.1 million AED range. It's slightly further from the central Sheikh Zayed Road access. It has a different view profile, community focus versus marina views. It does have a price advantage of being 25 to 35% lower, but the trade offs are connectivity and an investment grade location. Then, when you look at the Dubai Marina proper, a resale one bedroom unit would be about 1.6 to 2.2 million AD immediate availability compared to 2029 delivery. The premium is about 15 to 50% higher than the Serene. It has an established community and mature infrastructure. There is likely to be a lower capital appreciation potential considering that it might be at its peak. Then, if you start thinking about the business bay, new developments are at about 1.2 to 1.5 million AED for one bedroom. A similar completion timeline from 2028 to 2030, canal views versus marina views, comparable connectivity with price parity to a slight advantage. And then lastly, you look at the Ema beachfront. A one bedroom starting at AED about 2 million plus. A true beachfront premium, similar quality developer. Price premium about 40 to 50% higher. A different buyer profile, but we're balancing between lifestyle versus investments. So the Serene's positioning. You're paying a premium over the outer suburbs like Tamak Hills. That premium buys you Sheikh Zayed Road locations and marina views. You're getting a discount versus established Dubai Marina. That discount reflects the off-plan timing and the 2029 delivery. You're at a price parity with Business Bay new builds. The difference is marina views versus canal views. Now, the Serene sits on the sweet spot for investors who want prime location, exposure without paying for Dubai Marina resale premiums, and those who have about 5 to 7 years of an investment horizon. The Serene offers solid fundamentals: Sheikh Zayed Road location, established developer, reasonable payment plan, clear rental yield path, and appreciation potential tied to the new freehold regulations. The comparables show that you're not overpaying relative to the market. You're positioned between budget suburbs and ultra premium marina, which is exactly where the smart money often plays. But here's what a 5-minute analysis can't tell you: whether this specific property fits your investment strategy. Because the right answer depends on your capital structure and liquidity over the next 4.5 years, your portfolio composition and diversification needs, your risk tolerance for off plan versus ready properties, your timeline for needing returns. Are you building wealth over 7 to 10 years, or do you need an income in 2 to 3? Your exit strategy: are you going to hold and rent, or flip at completion, or keep it as a long term appreciation play? Possible tax implications based on your residency and citizenship, and even alternative opportunities that you might be comparing this against. This is where a generic video stops and personalized strategy begins. We offer private consultation calls where we analyze your specific situation. In 30 to 45 minutes, we'll cover your financial position and how it maps to Dubai opportunities, whether the Serene or alternative properties better serves your goals. The payment structuring should fit as closely to your cash flow as possible. The portfolio strategy: should you buy one premium unit or multiple budget units? The market timing for your entry, and overall risk assessment tailored to your profile. We'll show you how we would approach your situation if it were our money. The link is in the description below. Book a time that works for you. Now, if you found this breakdown valuable, subscribe for more data driven Dubai property analysis.